This video is a glimpse into little graduate's educational journey. Today we gather here to celebrate a remarkable milestone, the graduation of our little learners. This video captures the essence of their incredible journey, a celebration of their achievement with joy, happiness, shared with others, wonder, discovery, and precious memories they created. In 2023, very first day, this little star's tiny steps foot through the gates of our school, their eyes filled with wonder and excitement. On that day, the management, principal, teachers and senior students of our great Cholan MHSS grand welcome to our little stars who have spent the last 2 years blossoms into curious, confident learners. 2 years ago, a new adventure began. As our little stars entered the classroom, they came in with shining in their eyes and tiny hands eager to explore. Their world has been filled with joy, wonder, and discovery. The first year, our great Cholan MHSS provides the great opportunity to the child to develop their motor skill development. Fiddle toddler talking to infants is an important way to help them language and communication skills. Crying is an infant's primary way of communicating needs. Our teachers respond promptly when the child cries. Our teachers talking softly by using comfortable sounds and trying to identity to the child. Based on the teacher's effort, that child's respond better to capture their attention and make the conversation more engaging for them. Speaking slowly but clearly, using simple words will help them pick up small words. Since this is an important milestone during the infancy stage, they explored the basics of letters, numbers, shapes and colors. In these 2 years, they have mastered their ABCs and numbers, built their imaginations, and crafted stories of friendship. They learned the joy of sharing, the importance of kindness, and courage to stand up and try again. In the second year, it is the opportunity to growing in confidence. Our little learners, they build on their early skills and divided into the magical world of phonics, reading their first sentences. Math concepts came lived through hands-on activities, while creative writing sessions and nurture the storytelling abilities. Their logical thinking and ability to solve was sharpened through puzzles, games, and fun experiments. Life skills and values beyond academics, we strengthen the importance of values like kindness, sympathy, empathy, sharing, and collaborative teamwork. Through role-playing, group activities are nurtured to care for our environment and respect others. Events like Grandparents' Day, Sports Day, Independence Day, Republic Day and cultural celebrations help them showcase their talents and improve their memories. Every story time, rhymes, songs, and playful activity was designated to ignite their imagination and build through sensory play, art and music they learned and expressed themselves creatively. Achievements of our students to create the strong confident to celebrate from reacting rhymes, conversation, speaking on stage, our graduates have grown into vibrant individuals. The preschool years are often referring to as the magical years because they are a time of incredible growth, development, and wonder. During this period, a child's brain undergoes significant role. Neural connections are rapidly forming, leading to advancement in cognitive abilities, language skill, and problem solving. It is an age where children are just starting to develop their sense of self and the world around them. At this age, the child's sense of balance, and motor skill coordination is still not fully developed, and children may experience more sensitive to the physical sensation. It is our duty of both parents and teachers to cooperate them and given the proper activities to develop their personality development. Our Cholan MHSs ensure that to cooperate with parents. In addition, we expect more cooperation to the parents to make the bright future of the child. We declare that in front of the parents and audience, our young graduates are ready to embrace the next chapter of their education journey. Thank you. With regards, CMHSs.